Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. With the weather heating up once again, I thought we could spend some time highlighting another batch of ice cold drinks to cool off with on a hot summer day. So for the next couple of months, we will be taking a look at 9 more drink recipes that will surely be a hit at your next summer gathering. For this month, we will be doing our 4th round of Juicy June, where we'll be focusing on 4 different drinks that use fruit juices in their recipes. For this episode, we will be making some frozen green grape apple slush. For this recipe, you will need 1 to 2 pounds of seedless green grapes, 2 to 3 large green apples, a quarter cup of simple syrup, or 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of water, a half to a cup of cold water or apple juice, and a pinch of salt. And you also need a blender to blend everything together. This will make about 2 to 4 servings, so just as needed. First, we'll prepare the ingredients, so for your grapes, place them in the freezer and let them freeze before using. Then for the apples, roughly chop them into pieces, peeling them if you wish, and then set them aside. Also, you can cut some of the apples into a garnish at this time if you wish. Next, in a small saucepan, combine the 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water, and heat this over medium heat, stirring until the sugar completely dissolves, about 2 to 4 minutes. Then remove this from the heat and let this cool completely. Next, for the apples, add them to a blender and blend them with some water until smooth. Then, strain this through a fine mesh sieve into a bowl, pressing to extract as much juice as possible. You should get about a cup or a cup and a half of apple juice from this. Then, when your grapes are fully frozen, add them to a blender along with the fresh apple juice, cooled simple syrup, pinch of salt, and a half cup of cold water. Blend this, stopping to scrape down the sides as needed until it reaches your desired consistency. Give this a taste and adjust as needed. Then, when it's to your liking, serve this immediately into a chilled glass. Garnish this with a few whole frozen green grapes on top, as well as your apple slice if desired, and with that, your frozen green grape apple slush is ready to drink. For this juicy drink recipe, I was inspired by my favorite summer fruits. The sweet and sour frozen green grapes straight from the freezer and the juicy green apples make for a refreshing treat. So I thought that this combination of flavors and green color from these fruits would make the perfect base for a chilled, slushy drink. In terms of the types of green grapes to use, frozen seedless ones work best since they blend easily. Any variety you like is fine, but I recommend using normal green table grapes since they freeze really easily. For the apples, I recommend crisp varieties like Granny Smith for a nice tartness, or Honeycrisp if you prefer something sweeter, but just use whichever apples you enjoy eating. You can also easily make this boozier by adding a splash of vodka or rum during the blending step if you want an adult version. But I wanted to keep the main recipe non-alcoholic so everyone can enjoy this sweet treat. But regardless of if you add any additional ingredients or keep it simple with just the frozen green grapes and apple, this light, icy, and refreshing frozen slush will be a great way to cool off on a hot summer day. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything you want to make next. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to or follow this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel. And blend them with some water until smooth. And blend them. I need a new blender.